So you guys know that I absolutely love getting my hands on some new tech. And well, that's exactly what we've got in today's video. Padmate reached out and said, Brad, we've got some sweet new tech we want you to check out. And I said, well, you found the right guy. Today we have the Padmate S30 bone conduction headphones. Let's do it. How is it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new, then make sure to follow where you're watching. Make sure to get in the comments and interact with the community, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. For today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, it is brought to you by Padmate, and we are checking out their S30 bone conduction headphones. We have all of the links and details in the description, so make sure to check that out. But first thing is first, let's see what we get in the box. The Padmate S30, born for sports. Let's get it out of the box. And right in top we are placed, very nice, the Padmate earphones. Ooh, they got a nice bendable wire here and a mode that will fit over your ears for sport activity. If you're doing anything active, that will be very handy. And then we'll check out the box right here. See what we get on the inside. We have a USB-C charging cable and some earplugs, as well as underneath the phone we have a card here with tips and a quick guide and some more paper. And that is what you get right out of the box with the Padmate S30. Alright, so these are absolutely made for sports, and they are so cool. I absolutely love them. These things give you all the comfort of open ear headphones. Meaning the open ear design, powered by the bone conduction technology, this allows you to hear all of your surroundings clearly and provide an earbud-free, comfortable listening experience. And also a perfect pair of headphones to use for audiobooks through your cheekbones, giving you hours of music experience without having to damage your ears. It creates vibrations to transmit sound rather than blowing your ears out with speakers. And I've never experienced a device like this, so I was like, wow, this is really cool. And the fact that it goes right into your cheekbones and you can feel all that vibration is so cool. And of course, you don't have to worry about any sweat or rain or anything if you're working out. With the IPX5 nano coating inside of the headset can easily resist sweat and rain, making the Padmate S30 an ideal choice for outdoor sports, running, jogging, hiking, cycling, and one of my favorites, one-wheeling. That's what I really enjoyed about this headphones, is I could safely ride my one-wheel around and hear my surroundings, but yet get the cool music experience from the vibrations. Pretty cool. Your total listening time is around 8 hours of battery life. It has a 150 milliamp battery, and with a power button it will easily take commands such as play, skip, pause, back a track, and you can join music, calls, audiobooks, and podcasts all day long. You get around 6 hours of battery life at max volume, but if you keep it around 50%, you can usually get over 8 hours. Pretty cool tip. And of course, you're rated at around 150 hours on standby time. Also, a fun fact, the way these are designed and go on, it is easily able to put a helmet on. So if you're riding a bike, you don't have to worry about the helmet messing with it. It should go on there completely fine. And as you can see right now, it's got a very nice tight fit. It's even really lightweight, and it doesn't come off. I can shake my head all day, don't got to worry about it coming off, and I can hear everything around me. It's very nice. If you are working out and doing all of that stuff, you can connect the Padmate to a smartwatch. I thought that was a pretty cool tip. All in all, the bone conduction technology is pretty awesome, and I'm so glad that I got to give it a shot. and I would highly recommend for you to check them out if you have the opportunity. If you'd like to check out the Padmate S30 for yourself, we have all of our links and details located in the notes below. I would also like to give a huge shout out to Padmate for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. Thank you so much for letting us get our hands on the S30. We absolutely love them. So make sure you hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and definitely get in the comments and let us know what you think about bone conduction technology. And if you haven't already, wherever you're watching this video, make sure you're following us. Make sure you hit that bell if you have the option to get notifications. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the next review.